Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Last class we practiced the Suratul Falaq, and today we start the new surah inshallah azawajal. And before starting with A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. The first we read the name of the surah. The name of the surah is Suratul Ikhlas, and where this surah revealed our holy prophet is like Makkatul Mukarramah. Okay, read. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Qul huwallahu ahad. In this ayat, then we did cough in the heavy sound, and that is point out with the green sign. It means cough is the word mustarlia. Okay, we read in the heavy sound, and Allah sound is also green one, and we read in heavy sound. Okay, every time you remind when Allah name is coming before Zabar and Zabar Fatah and Dhamma Pesh Kasra, Dhamma is coming, then we make the sound heavy sound. Okay, that's why we say Kul huwallahu ahad, and try to difference between Hamza sound and Ha sound. Okay, Ha sound is coming the middle of the throat, and Hamza sound is different. Okay, okay, like Kul huwallahu ahad. And Dal have the blue one, it means there is the qalqla, but here is the strong qalqla. Okay, strong qalqla. Inshallah I will be told you which one is the weak qalqla and which one is the strong qalqla. Okay, when the qalqla letter is coming on the mid of the letter, then it is the weak qalqla. Okay, and the one qalqla letter is the end of the letter, then we going to the strong qalqla. There is ahad on the end of the letter, that's why we make the strong qalqla. Okay, and but we learn the one more rule when we read the qalqla chapters. I will be told you that there are 5 qalqla kutubun jaddin: qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. And when we use qalqla when the sukoon sign is on the letter, but here is the no sukoon sign. Why we make the question is why we make the qalqla is here. The answer is this: after ahad the circle sign is coming, it means we stop it, and there is double dhamma is convert with the sukoon sign, and that's we make the qalqla. Okay, hopefully you understand. This is Qul huwallahu ahad. Qul huwallahu ahad. Next is Allahu samad. Allahu samad. Here is again Allah sign. Before Allah sign is Fatah is coming, that's why we're stretching Allah. And Swad is also the Rufe Mustalia, we bold one, and Dal have the Rufe Kalkala, here strong Kalkala. We say Allahu Samad. Allahu Samad. Next is Lam Yalid Walam Yulad. Lam Yalid Walam yulad. Here is the after meme sakin, the ya is coming. That's why we make the meme sound is the clear. Okay, meme sound is clear because here the izhar shafawiya we use, and that's why we not make the we make the sound of the meme is clear. Lam yalid walam يولد لم يلد ولم يولد. Here is the lam yalid in the not of the end of the end of the letter. There is the middle of the word. That's why lam yalid is the weak kalkala and walam yulad is the strong. Lad is the strong kalkala. Okay. Lam yalid walam yulad. Lam yalid walam yulad. The next is walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Okay, here is the we say walam. Here is the after meme sakin is ya is coming again. We use izhar shafawiya and the meme sound is clear. Okay, walam yakul lahu. Walam yakul lahu, and after yakul noon sakin is the lam is coming. That's why we make a idgham without gunna. Okay, there is very important rule. We make idgham without gunna. Walam yakul lahu. Who is the upside down dhamma? That's why we're stretching. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Here is the after double fatha is the word hamza ha ain ha ghain kha. I will be told you this is the harufi halkiya. After tanween is harufi halkiya is coming. That's why we not make the gunna. Okay, we say kufuwan sound is the clear. Kufuwan ahad. Kufuwan ahad. Okay, now we practice the whole one. Kul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid walam yulad. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Okay, again say Kul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid walam yulad. Okay, walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Again say Kul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid walam yulad. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Hopefully today lesson you understand, or if you have any problem you ask me the question on the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because in this way you can inform you my upcoming video. Okay, jazakallahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.